Well, hello people from Terminal 1 at Dublin Airport here. It's 6 AM in the morning here, and I'm heading with my brother and my two nephews to Birmingham. We're going over to a motorbike show, so I'll see us all over there, my friends. Just having a cup of tea here and a sandwich. Robbers here in Dublin Airport. You see this pot of tea here, this cup of tea here, €3.20, right? And you see this chicken sandwich I got here, right? So for this chicken sandwich and a cup of tea came to €10.95. Robbers, they robbed their own granny, my friends. Right people, I'm in the NEC here in Birmingham, the exhibition centre, right? And as you can see there, I got scrambled egg, traditional English breakfast. And when I transfer the exchange rate, €17.17 for that breakfast. And one cup of tea, okay? There you go. Lads, I'm just going over here. Where will this be? It's going to be everywhere, anywhere. Will I wait for you, or will I?
No, you can go on your own. But rather than saying now, we normally, I say to the lads now, if we get separated and we want to get back together again,
right.
We just pick a sign so we all meet up.
Yamaha. Okay.
Get separated. Head straight.
Right, lads.
Right.
I'll just walk around. I'll be back in a while. Okay, right. But those are my two nephews there, Michael and Brandon, and my brother Damien. So yeah, so this is the NEC arena here in Birmingham, and as you can see, it's a motorbike show. Now, I like motorbikes, but it's not my main thing, if you know what I mean. I did own one motorbike way back. It was called a Suzuki GT 100, only a small bike I had. Blue, my favourite colour, and I had it for 1 year, and then I sold it, and then I bought my first car. So yeah, look at this bike here, it's lovely, look. Triumph. Wow. I brought my camera here, so I'm going to take some pictures as well, right? Have a look at this mad looking motorbike here, look. Crazy, isn't it, the design, look. That's definitely futuristic anyway, as motorbikes go. Mad stuff, my friends. Look at this thing. It's a 752. That means 750cc or something. I've no idea, but look at it. Real modern, isn't it? Right, this motorbike here is called, I think it's called a Benelli, right? Sounds Italian to me. It's called a 502 Cruiser, and its asking price is £5,499, or £5,500 if you want this motorbike here, look. You want to buy this bike here, chopper type bike, it's £33,995. So you can say what, 35,000 for that chopper bike there, but it's fantastic, isn't it? It really is. Look at it, like, look at the design on it. Look at the lovely, super cool headlamp. Look at the design on the exhaust, and that's super cool. Oh, look at the seat, wow, I love it. I love it. Absolutely amazing, I have to say, amazing, my friends. People, these motorbikes are out of this world, I have to say. I'm fascinated here by them. I haven't seen my brother and my two twin nephews in about 2 hours. I better meet up with them now for dinner soon. But this is like, I'm not really into motorbikes, but yeah, this is an incredible show, I have to say. I've never seen so many modern motorbikes in my life in one place. Amazing. We're having a break here. Got chicken and sweet corn and some spuds and a cup of tea, paper cup of tea, £17.70. That's in English money. So probably, I don't know, 20 euros. 20 euros in money. Yeah, so I haven't got a clue what I'm talking about, lad. People. I know nothing about motorbikes, except to say that they're fantastic. That's all. I only came over here because my brother asked me would I come over. So yeah, just kind of bonding here with two nephews. Michael, Brandon, Michael. See Michael there. Michael is brilliant at playing the guitar, and he's mad into the Beatles. He knows everything about John Lennon. See, this is Brandon here. That's Brandon. And Brandon is a brilliant drummer, fantastic drummer. He can play anything on the drums, okay? They're dead sound. And that's Damon. Yeah. Hello. Their brother. The design of these mopeds are just absolutely fantastic. They really are. I love the whole curves of them and everything. Real 1950s, 1960s design looking, and just absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. I mean, look at the nice curved design there and that. Cord back here. Nice little seat. Look at this. Look at even the light at the back, look. Isn't it gorgeous? Well, I think so anyway. Beautiful. It'd be a shame to take that out on a miserable wet day, wouldn't it? It's just lovely. Yep. So as you can see, my friends, if you're into motorbikes, I think this is one of the best shows to come to. This motorbike show in the NEC here in Birmingham. Look at all the merchandise, all to do with motorbikes, from helmets to jackets and protective gear and boots. You know, the whole lot. You'll get everything here, my friends. Everything. So this motorbike over here is a 1975 Healy. So that means that's an English-made motorbike. And here is another British-made motorbike, BSA, 1963. This bike here, look how fantastic that looks restored. Look, 1963, and it's in an immaculate condition. Look, isn't that amazing? Look at it. Wow. Beautiful looking bike. I like this bike here, my friends. Yeah, this is the bike for me. Zooming down the countryside. You know yourself, don't you? I can dream, can't I? No, I'd be too afraid to get a motorbike, you know what I mean? I know a few people have been killed on the bikes. So, yeah, I think I'm a bit kind of old for that, my friends. Take a stick with the car. You know something, people? I thought I was going to be bored here today, all day here, in my brother and my two nephews, right? And I have to say, this is fantastic. The bikes here are amazing, absolutely amazing. I'm having a ball here. A ball, my friend. Look at this one here, look. If you're looking to buy this super bike here, super cool looking bike, mod bike, look, it's 24,995. So you can say 25,000 for this bike here in English pounds, right? Crazy Horse. Indian motorcycles, 1901, but anyway, established in 1901. So Indian motorcycle. I think that's just beautiful. That's one of my favourite bikes now so far. So far, should I say. Yeah, super cool design on it. Have a look at this, my friends, a folding motorbike. Never seen one in my life before till now. Look at this.
Would you like to see it folded up front?
Yeah. Okay. Wow, that's amazing. That's
same thing in reverse.
That is incredible. Incredible, my friends. Okay, thank you. Isn't that incredible, isn't it? Amazing. Just looking at these motorbikes here. I don't know if it's called GGM or CCM. I think they're another British company, and they're lovely motorbikes. And I'm just looking at the frames, you know what I mean? The frames that everything sits in. Like, for instance, look over here now. You see, like, the frame, look. You see the frame coming down like this, looking at the way it curves, and they're gorgeous. Comes down, look. Look at the love, look at the detail on this. Look at that. And look at even the tyres, they're super cool. The chain. Oh, I love this bike, my friends, I love it. Look. Isn't that gorgeous? Speedometer on top there. Little wing mirrors. Yeah, these bikes here are a beautiful design, my friends. I think it's a British made manufacturer. Look at this one here, the same company again. It's either CCM or GGM. I think it's CCM it's called. Look at this. Isn't that lovely? Oh my God, that is gorgeous. It really is. Again, look at the frame design on it. Isn't it gorgeous the way it's curved? It's beautiful chain and the brand spanking new engine inside it. Oh, it's lovely. The gorgeous seat, look. Somewhere you can put your mobile phone in there. Oh. Absolutely beautiful. I could actually see myself, if I won the lottery, buying that kind of a bike there now. Definitely. Heading off down the road, you know yourself. Right, people, that's it from another great day out with my brother and my two twin nephews. Well, they're twins, right? Michael and Brandon here at the NEC in Birmingham at the motorbike show. Fantastic, right? So that's it, my friends. I'll see you in the next video. As usual, I have no idea where it's going to be, but it's going to be from somewhere. So please press the notification bell to know when the video is uploaded. They're normally up on a Sunday after 5 p.m. Press the notification bell to know when they're up. And if you like the video, please give me a like. And if you're new to the channel, please press subscribe, it's free. And I'll see you all again in the next video. As I said, I have no idea where it's going to be, but it's going to be from somewhere. Okay, bye.